Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey the Greedy family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have
chicken and waffle.
Yeah man.
You know what? What happened?
No, I'm just playing, go ahead.
Oh, what happened? You know what? We always see this place where we live, because they have them in Florida, and we never tried it. So we said, you know what? Let's do our own thing. So I fried up the chicken, that's always. First lady made the waffles. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to bring it home to ourselves. We don't have to go. Corona time.
Corona time.
Yeah.
So we have our regular sauces. We're going to dig in, but let me show you guys my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
We're back. I'm not gonna say it. I know you do.
All right, guys. So Richie does have a recipe, and we have a video on how he prepared fried chicken. I will link it somewhere in the video, and it's just regular waffles, regular waffle batter. But I put my own little spin on it.
Spin on that.
And we're gonna dig in.
Wee! I almost dashed the food, man. That's so hungry, man.
My
RFC. Richie fried chicken.
Richie fried chicken.
First lady, so which one of them I think you want first now?
This is for presentation. To cock up the chicken. The chicken for cock up.
Chicken, a freak. Freaky chicken, yeah, yo.
Here.
We'll cock up chicken, yeah. Yo! First of all, chicken look nice.
Oh, stop the nonsense.
You see me, I will trick you today.
Stop the nonsense.
I trick her today, family. She thought I was going to say, oh, but take some more food today. But I will, though.
I know you will. You'll be like, mind your business.
Damn, let me. Alright, first, then I'm not going
to look at the butter.
The whipped cream stuff now, so I just go put some.
Ooh. Yeah.
Sweet. I want to sweet you up more, man.
Yeah, man. Use a new one, man. Use something like.
And then what? We have the Aunt Jemima over there. Aunt Jemima, we have?
Oh, we have. Let me see. Honey, this tastes good without the syrup, too. Mrs. Butterworth's.
Okay.
That's what we have in our house.
Yes. You better have it. That's a come up.
If you don't have this big bottle,
you're not saying nothing. We have the Aunt Jemima. We have this Butterworth.
Butterworth. Then I have some hot sauce and
we got
honey.
that. Here you go with your thing.
For my chicken.
I'm hungry. Let me get up into this.
Okay.
Always. What you saying? What do you want?
And if you guys know me, or you're getting to know me, I don't put a lot of syrup on my stuff, but I put a lot of whipped cream. I love whipped cream.
Yeah. You do.
All right.
All kind of whipped cream. Yo, it's nice enough.
It tastes good, man. The waffle tastes good without the without anything.
Yeah, bad on the knife and fork though. Can't do knife and fork, family. Take too long. This waffle is nice.
Waffle's really good.
Cornish hen. You know how we do it.
Yep.
No more big chicken to eating.
Fried chicken, good man.
It look good?
It tastes good.
Look at this.
Wow.
Yeah, I'll take the first bite.
Honey, we haven't given him any food in a long time.
No, we'll give him food.
Okay.
Why the hell? We want to go try this place. And we could do that ourselves. Family.
This is really good.
Certain places y'all see. And you want to go try. And they're cooking the same thing y'all know y'all could cook. Do it. We was killing to go try this, and this is like about an hour and change away from us. I'm like, damn, chicken and waffle. Let's bring it home to the family. So you know what? Got your Grace on deck, Grace, Big yourself, Grace.
My first time having chicken and waffle family was when I was about maybe 17
You don't know.
or 16 going on 17.
You try enough things, man.
My dad took us to a restaurant in where was it? In Harlem. And they have a famous restaurant called Sylvia's.
Right.
If you guys live in New York and you guys know about Sylvia's, let me know. And the lady was there singing and everything. And I remember looking at the menu saying, who in their right mind would want to eat chicken and waffle? Where's the rice? Where's the gravy?
Yeah.
I don't want to eat this sucker.
Yeah.
But my dad was like, just try it. And I'm glad I did because it is delicious.
Yeah.
It's a very good combination.
Yeah.
Like a sweet and sour.
Write me down.
Must have been a white shirt, mind you.
Yeah, sure one. Sorry, no way.
But I remember that day very well because the lady, I don't know if they still do it now. They probably don't.
Yeah.
That was a long time ago. And they have a live performer and she was singing.
Yeah.
And she was singing and she was singing to me in my voice, like singing to me in my face and like, cause it's my birthday. And I'm just there like this. Right? And when she left, my dad said, oh, how did you like the song? I said, the song was good, but her breath stank.
You see, look at my woman breaking.
I did. And we bust out laughing. We talk about that story to this day. And I do have a story time for you guys. That's a little bit later.
You flat the woman.
Something.
I better think.
It don't smell normal, my youth.
You're freaking thinking, bro.
How you like the combination, my love?
Good. Better you do stuff on your own. You're good. I don't know if you got me the first day. Please.
You want my love?
Yeah, please.
You okay?
The chicken and waffle out. I kick one.
Give me half of my love. This is my waffles are cinnamon waffles.
Yeah. Mine is everything mixed up. Yeah, the mix up waffles.
They're very good.
So do y'all like waffles? Let me know. And if y'all do, y'all make it yourself or y'all go out and get it. First day.
The chicken is fried to perfection. You want this one, my love?
Get some of the
Whipped cream.
the butter thing. No,
Oh, sure.
no Aunt Jemima. Can't afford Aunt Jemima. Not you. All right.
That's a big bottle.
Big body. We do it big.
My kids,
They go through the syrups.
our kids, they go through the syrup. They love breakfast. That's all they want is breakfast.
And they be getting a good breakfast when I be at work too. They be getting a good up breakfast.
This is really good.
Look a bird that can go, I know.
Yeah. Really can.
Yeah.
Man, that was good. Man, oh man.
Good, right?
Yes. I'm gonna pause it right there, my love. It tastes very good.
Delicious. It was a good call. Yep.
Don't judge me, okay?
This is my breakfast
Breakfast.
slash brunch. Right? It's a brunch.
Yeah. You know what I like about the chicken?
Oh,
Is that it's nice and crispy.
yeah.
It's my favorite part. It's not softy.
The recipe. Yeah.
You asked them having a good day?
Yeah.
You know, I be forgetting.
Yo, sometimes just get catch up in that moment, man. But yeah, I asked my David ate this, and they like it, but you know what's coming. We just gotta eat something first, you know. Work. How was work? Regular day. Somebody gotta do it. You know what I'm saying? The money can't just come to you. You gotta go for it. You know what I'm saying? Go get it. But get it in the right way.
That's true.
Don't go the other way and get it. You know what I'm saying?
That is true.
Life is too precious. If you know what I'm talking about. So get the right way. You know what I'm saying? No matter what kind of job you have, as long as it's a job,
Be proud of it, right?
be proud of it and appreciate it.
Because
Cause right now in this time,
a lot of people don't have a job.
exactly, person. A lot of people don't have a job right now. So I thank God every day for my job. Huh? I hear people talk, oh, they don't like such and such. But everybody entitled for their own opinion. But me personally, I love my job. You know why? Because I take care of my family
Aw.
and pay the bills. I'm saying so. As much as sometimes I don't feel like going in. You want my napkin?
No, I'm good, my love.
Sometimes I don't feel like going in there. I have to think and say, yo, I gotta go do it. You know what I'm saying? Not about me no more. It's not about First Lady no more. It's about the kids. No? And then us. We come last. The kids them come first. The true First Lady.
True beers. Yeah, chap beer knowledge to my youth.
Yo, Mr. Man,
Come like a superstar, man. You're
What
Pastor
skin?
Richie.
Pastor Richie says skin crunchy. I don't feel like for skin today.
I'm beer me too.
Beer meat one. Yeah, man. But so, whatever you're doing in life, as long as it's a job, only God could judge you. You know what I'm saying?
And the same people them
Yeah.
who want to turn around and judge you
Yeah.
for whatever you're doing.
Yes.
Or the same people them who's not even taking care of their family.
Exactly.
Who don't want to walk. Nothing in life. You can't get nothing in life without working for it. Nothing.
Nothing.
Looking for my love.
Let me take some that the non-hot sauce.
This
Tabasco,
one?
yeah.
Tabasco.
Yeah, the non-hot sauce. But yeah, you just gotta do it. See? As what Jakira said, these are some serious time. You know what I'm saying? If you know them song, my Jamaican people, old time song, but
Old time song.
work is a work. But on that note, I'm stop venting to y'all. Enjoy back this food.
You're not really venting.
Okay.
You're giving them some.
Some heads up tips? Okay, so if you got it, you know what I'm saying? Got a job, be happy for it. No? That's that.
Okay. I'm gonna start my story time now. Okay. Go ahead, my love.
This one take this chicken, man.
Oh, you gotta take my chicken yourself. Chicken over there, so.
My chicken done a long time from the start now.
My goodness. Okay. So, my son, our son. That's how we say.
Yeah, that's
our.
it. They know, you know,
We know
me.
me.
You know me from me.
Our son went to elementary school, and because my son was going there, we decided it just makes sense to have our daughter go there. And then my niece ended up going there, so they knew, you know what I mean? They had some way of saying, hey,
Yeah.
these are my family.
Huh.
Excuse me. So Tamia, she's the only one who's been going to that school since kindergarten.
Yeah.
So she's in 8th grade now. So she's been going there for 8 years.
Big girl.
Big girl. So when she was like in 5th grade now, we went to her school, which was honestly all the time because
Yeah, we always
she was constantly getting awards, constantly in talent shows, constantly in something. She's always in something.
Yeah.
Very totally different from our son. He wasn't in nothing. He didn't want you to even know he goes to school. He just wants you to just be like, just mind your business. I'm going to school. Don't come there. Don't bother me.
But look at him now.
But look at him now. He's a superstar on TikTok. All right. So Tamia was into everything. So this particular time, we was there for an award ceremony. So this janitor, who he's been working there forever, probably 20-something years,
Yeah.
forever. He knows us, because like I said, everybody knows us. We're there all the time. So he comes up to us. We were sitting in the cafeteria, and we're sitting on the bench. And every time he sees us, he always makes a point to come and say hi to us. We say hi to him, ask him how you're doing, whatever. This particular day now, Richie and I were sitting at the edge of the table, and he said, "Hi, I want to talk to you about your little princess." And I was like, "Okay." He said, well, when Tamia is eating lunch with her friends, she makes a mess, extra mess.
Yeah.
I know you're gonna make mess when you're eating food,
and you at lunch,
because you're at lunch. Yeah. But she and her friends make extra mess, and then they're not cleaning it up. And when I said to Tamia, you have to clean up after yourself, she like gave me like the face, like almost like, "Aren't you the janitor? That's your job."
Yeah, do I get nice now?
So.
That's a little wing.
Oh, good, right?
A little wing, yeah. Little bird.
So I said, "Really?" And he said, "Yes." I said, "Oh no, this is not gonna work. I'm gonna talk to her right now." So to me, it was on the opposite side of the room. So I did this, and when she saw me, I gestured like, "Come here." She came over to us. She stood in front of me. I'm sitting here, and Richie's sitting right next to me, just like this, and she's in front of me. I said, "This young man," this young man tells me that when you're having lunch, you're making a mess and you're not cleaning it up, and you're expecting for him to clean up because he's a janitor. He goes to me, "What man?" I said, "This man right." What the? I said, "This man right here."
Yo.
I looked behind me. I said, "What the hell?"
Yo.
When I looked this way and didn't see him, I turned back this way to see if he was going that way. The man ran. The man ran. Okay? All you saw, you ever see those cartoons, honey?
With the smoke.
And the smoke.
That man ran. So we looked around and like, where the hell he went?
He was so fast.
And then first they're like, "Yo, this guy was just here." So my daughter like, "What the hell y'all talking about? Cause there's no man behind us." Yo, family, that man took off because he didn't want to be there, cause he didn't want to tell her. You know what I'm saying? So yo,
he did not want to tell on Tamia.
We almost broke our neck the way we looked back fast enough.
Yo, we was like, what the? I mean, all you saw was
smoke.
He was already down the hall.
Oh, right.
You could tell he ran.
Oh,
he didn't walk. He ran. So I said, "What the hell?" So I said, Richie said, "I must have afraid him of Tamia." Translation: He must be afraid of Tamia. You know what I mean? Because he doesn't complain.
Stop. Yeah.
That dog. He doesn't complain. So he felt bad about complaining.
Yeah.
So he's like, "Oh my gosh, do I have to tell her? But I have to because she's not doing what she's supposed to be doing."
Yeah.
So I said, "Let me tell you something. You're not raised like that. You don't do stuff like that. Not because he's a janitor, that means that you make extra mess on purpose for him to clean it up. It's okay if you make a mess." And then he says, "Okay, it's okay, Tamia, I'll clean it up."
Yeah.
But you don't do it on purpose. That is, no, we do not do that.
Yeah.
And when you see him tomorrow, you apologize to him and you tell him that you're very sorry.
Yeah.
And she's like, "Okay, Mommy, I'll tell him I'm sorry. Okay, Daddy." And the next day, she told him that she was sorry.
Yeah.
And then again, about 3 weeks later, we went back to the school. And he came and he was like, "I just want to say thank you so much for talking to the little princess. She's been really doing good.
Yeah.
She hasn't been making a mess. Thank you so much." I said to him, I said, that day, when I was, so a lot of fuckeries.
Yo.
I said, that day, when I was talking to Tamia, "Where did you go?" He looked at me, he was like, "I didn't want to get in trouble by Tamia." I was like, "Oh my God, you guys need to stop it. She is." Yo, that story was funny as I don't know what.
Our daughter, very popular. Everybody know her. We go to that school every day. Every day that girl had doing something, man. Yeah. Yep. Smart little kids. What? Cream come by your mouth. Oh. No, I don't mean that way. Come on now. It's the whipped cream on the side of my mouth. Yeah, y'all catch everything what you say, Y'all don't miss nothing. Why don't y'all miss nothing?
That's good though.
everything we say, I catch every little bit of it. Even sometimes stuff you're not supposed to catch, y'all catch. Y'all know who we talking about. It's a lot of y'all, but we love it though. That means y'all watching. Appreciate that.
That is true.
But look, carnation done.
I'm saving this for Tamia. She asked to save up this. So
And that's the next thing. She could eat just like her mother. Girl can eat, you know? Solid. Like her mama. Little Serena. But yeah.
this was very,
This
very
was
good.
good. We was planning to drive almost an hour and change for this.
This was very, very, very
And we
good.
could bring it home? Come on now, why we do that to us?
If I wasn't full, I would tell Tamia, listen to me, you're not getting none of it. But I'm full. Let me say that for her.
Family, do try this. If you ever think about this or you seen it before where y'all live or making this, do make it. Chicken and waffle. It's
easy.
easy. You know what I'm saying? Waffle is easy to make. Get a waffle maker, whatever. Fried chicken RFC style, you know? Got the recipes there and just do it. You don't have to go to the restaurant.
Yeah.
Bring the restaurant to you.
Yep.
Pastor Richie session now. You know what time it is. I know y'all been waiting. What we receive is information. What we preserve is knowledge. What we use is intelligence. But what, when, and how we use it is our wisdom.
Ooh.
Okay. Clear my throat again. What we receive is information. Right, family? What we preserve is our knowledge. Remember that. What we use is intelligence. But what, First Lady? When and how we use it is our wisdom. So that's the word of the day. Put it in your word and stuff like that. I don't want you to come kiss
I want kiss, man.
Put it in your word. Tell me how you feel about that. Everybody's right. Nobody's wrong. Just have a conversation. Until then, we appreciate y'all. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Until then, First Lady, do your thing.
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang. Bye.
Another TV session today. No? Another session TV.